all theories about our press brake. We can make a machine according to requirements and give you a very safety and save money and save and high accuracy press brake. Now we introduced our press brake from step by step from our NC type press brake to our CNC type press brake. We also share you how to choose and with what we can do for you. This is one type of our E21 NC type press brake. Look at a lot of, let me show you our details about this NC press brake. Compare with as a normally press brake, look at our beautiful machine design. And firstly, even our NC type press brake, we use a faster clap to help you to save the time to up and down the punch and die. Let me give you more introducer. This machine is 2-axis torsion bar type CNC press brake. Compare with our NC type of press brake, we use this kind of CNC controller to control 2-axis. One is for the bending angle. This is for bending angle, the other for the X-axis program. And why we say this is one type of developing type CNC? Because on one side, which is can control 2-axis program, and each axis movement we use servo motor, self-drive battery servo motor to guarantee the machine accuracy. If you want a more high-level press brake using feeding, we also suggest you choose this kind of synchronized CNC press brake because it is more high accuracy for your using the machines. Also, it's faster speed and more high accuracy. You also spend a little time to finish your metal parts. Three axes. One is the angle bending, the other is X-axis front and aft. This is an axis for baggage up and down so that we can control all the functions in the controller. Compare with CTH 68P torsion bar CNC press brake. Our CNC controller have more functions, such as we can also make a R-axis for back gauge up and down in the program. Let's show you. Now our back gauge R-axis is 120. We can automatic change 150. Okay, let's see. If we it's also we will also want to give you some more introductions for this custom. We also added 2D program in this CT8. Sometimes a lot of customers say, we have this function unload. Yes, we have. Now we show you this. So you are bending the metal parts like this. Metal parts like this. This is last bending result. Hello everyone. We will finish our live show. If you have more requirements for our RONGWIN press brake, please just contact with our sales team. Our sales team will contact with you. Okay, thank you. Bye.